There is no place on earth like Gran Canaria, and there is no resort there like Meliá Tamarindos. Idyllically nestled between St. Agustin Beach and the adjacent shopping district, the Meliá Tamarindos is the perfect destination for your vacation from the ordinary. A nearly perfect fusion of exotic luxuries and fun for the entire family, the Meliá Tamarindos delivers a holiday experience befitting the wondrous island of Gran Canaria. Being attentive with good service is second nature here. With your every need considered, you are free to concentrate on the important things, like the beach, the pools, and the patios, or the kid-only mini club and game area.
Meliá Tamarindos is located in a beautiful area of the island, very close to the beach, very quiet, very peaceful, I would say. It's been great to be here.
If your idea of play is a little more sophisticated, Meliá Tamarindos will not disappoint you. The extensive sauna and spa facilities here offer treatments from around the world and are available both in and outdoors.
I love the spa. It's a fantastic opportunity to relax and give me a little more time for me. Perhaps the spa and the swimming pool for me is wonderful, really.
With special prices at 6 area golf courses, you'll have plenty of opportunities to make par. And finally, if you can't find your luck on the greens, then Casino Gran Canaria may be just what you're looking for. With so much to do, you'll be looking for dining options. At Meliá Tamarindos, the culinary possibilities are eclectic and exciting. The various bars, buffets, and patio dining options will ensure your palate never suffers from the ordinary. Of course, at the very heart of your vacation stay with Meliá Tamarindos are your accommodations. Open and inviting, your holiday suite provides both comfort and convenience. Surrounded by subtropical gardens, your vacation will be uniquely Canarian. And all vacation suites come with the signature royal service. With your every need so well covered, you'll be able to explore the beautiful and wondrous island of Gran Canaria worry-free. Rich in both cultural and natural history, the adventure awaits you. Unique and extraordinary, the Meliá Tamarindos and Gran Canaria promise a vacation like no other on Earth.
Welcome to the world of Sol Meliá Vacation Club. I'm Gabriel Escarrer, Vice Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of Sol Meliá Hotels and Resorts, an international hospitality company my father founded over 50 years ago. Today, we have more than 350 hotels in 30 different countries on 4 continents. We are proud to have Sol Meliá Vacation Club as a part of our growing family, offering a unique member and vacation exchange experience featuring exotic destinations, designer-appointed suites, exclusive services, and unforgettable amenities. Whether it's exploring archaeological ruins in Mexico, enjoying virgin beaches in the Dominican Republic, walking through the historic streets of Old San Juan in Puerto Rico, or taking a cable car ride to the top of an inactive volcano in the Canary Islands, Spain, a customized international vacation awaits you with Sol Meliá Vacation Club. We look forward to making Sol Meliá Vacation Club your home anywhere in the world. Thank you, and please come visit us soon.